This is Sasha. This is Sasha reporting to you from Gulfport Beach. It is the month of May 2014, and Gulfport and Biloxi had been under a tropical storm watch. The storm had come in and did a lot of flooding, a lot of rain, and I was eager to go out to the beach and show you what I saw. So there I am on the beach, taking a look and doing a video to show you what tremendous waves were coming in. And this is low tide, but look how the wind is driving them to pound against the sand. The wind was 25 to 35 miles per hour, but at times it felt like it was more than that. It was scary because we were still under a tornado watch. So a tornado could have come out of nowhere and done its thing. So I was kind of eager to hurry up and get out of there. All of that brown is the debris that the waves brought in during the night and in the morning. That is Highway 90. The traffic is very light. The clouds are gathering. Some are white, some are blue, some are gray, and they keep on pouring down rain. I got wet several times during the time that I was doing this video and taking pictures. In that direction is Biloxi, where the casinos are. And all that debris is strewn all over the beaches. From Gulfport all the way down to Biloxi, and I guess elsewhere too. Look at that. It looks like pieces of wood, branches, and some other stuff that the waves brought in. Now remember, this is low tide. And look how the waves keep on pounding the sand. It was like a lot of drama, a lot of beauty, and scary at the same time. It was frightening. I looked and looked, and there was no one else out there doing a video or taking pictures of the weather like I was. So I thought to myself, I better hurry and get out of here. But the beauty was more compelling than the danger. I was in a hurry to get out though. In that direction is Gulfport, where they have the famous Jones Park and the marina with pavilions. They say it's worth at least $100 million, so you may want to come and visit and take a look at it. They have festivals and they have a lot of gatherings there. The seagulls were flying about, and so were the pelicans. The pelicans were diving in and fishing because they were hungry, and so were the seagulls. So, like I said, it was scary, but it was also fascinating to see all of this drama taking place on the Gulfport beach. This is Sasha reporting to you from Gulfport Beach. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.